Hey, what's up you guys? Joseph Romano here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a perfect shrimp pasta. Let's begin. Okay, so what you're going to need for this video is 5 ounces of shrimp, baby spinach, Parmesan cheese, cloves of garlic, a carton of heavy cream, a stick of butter, and 2 cartons of sour cream. For prepping, I'm going to start with boiled water and putting it on the stove and putting it into a boil. Okay, now this time for this process, I'm about to show you how to peel a shrimp. See, you peel it in the back, and then you have the technique. Yeah, just slide it out, and that's how to do it. And that's how they should look. Beautiful, soft, and I heard in the comments saying you're not really sharpening your knife. Well, this time I actually am. So right now I'm cutting cloves of garlic for this step. So you want to cut them into very small pieces. Yeah, I'm trying to cut out the stems. So after when you're done, this is what your garlic should look like. And now put them into a bowl and then on to the next step. So right now we're setting the stove onto medium heat, and now we're just going to add a half a stick of butter and wait until it melts. You could try stirring it around and see if it can melt faster. Yeah, I'm doing a pretty good job at it. Okay, now it's done. So the next step, you're gonna put your minced garlic. Yep, put it in there. You can see the burn mark. Stir it until it sweats, just like onions. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our raw shrimp that we just peeled. And now one by one, we start putting it on the pan. Make sure that they're on each side. And now let's season it with ground sea salt. Yep, all around. And afterwards add some peppercorn, grinded peppercorn. And then later on, flip your shrimp. And just look how beautiful and salmony pink they are. Oh my goodness, I feel like eating them all. I know it would just be too hot. Now I'm gonna pick one with tongs, cover it up, and now onto the next step. I'm gonna add my baby spinach to the process, and don't worry, the more spinach I have, the less it's gonna shrink. So I'm gonna use my tongs and swirl it around. Yeah, and now I fast forward the video to keep up the video nice and short. Yeah, and it's just me. Really nice. Beautiful. Add in your cooked shrimp. And now move it around. Now add in half the amount of heavy cream. I'm not sponsoring the heavy cream. And then, yeah, and now just swirl around. Now add in your Philadelphia sour cream. Yeah, kind of sticky. Now my finger's going to, oh, yep, thank you. Now I'm gonna, scrape it down. Who knew that heavy cream was so sticky? Now, taste test. Okay, I just think it needs a little more seasoning, a little more salt, and a little more heavy cream. And stir it around once more. Now for a little taste test, maybe with some shrimp or for later. And yeah, it's good. Now open the pot and see if it's boiling. See the bubbles? Now I need to get everything ready and set up. Now we add up our Parmesan cheese. We put it in. Take a handful, smother it around, and our mozzarella cheese. Take a handful, put it all around, and now use your tongs again and move it around. And then with our spaghetti, now before we do anything, we gotta check the pot and see if it's boiling. And yeah, it's boiling. And take the pasta inside. You can see, pat it down a little bit, or you could use a spoon and swirl it around. Optional. And yeah, just wait until the pasta is al dente. And now, okay, so now in the meantime, I'm going to teach you guys how to open a bottle of wine. And I'm not going to drink it, it's just how to show you. So with the screw, well, first you gotta open the tip of the bottle. Use there's like a little knife. You gotta twist the tip around, turn it around and around and around and around. And once you do that, try and open it. Yeah. Open it. Voila. And then there's the cork. I'm going to teach you how to screw up the cork screw, and twist the bottle around. And now use the metal handle and try and open it up. See? Now what I have in my right hand is called a wine purifier, and what it does to the wine is that it naturally gives the wine its flavor. Yeah, and fast forward, now on to the next step. Now all you need is a cup of water. More, and then pour it in. And now you got to put the pot and strain the pasta over the sink. The pasta's not going in. Come on. Go in. There. Man, it smells great. I love the smell of pasta. And cool it up a little bit. Now add in a half a cup of water and keep on stirring. Just try not to make a mess. And now add your chopped basil and put them in there. And start mixing with your wooden spoon. I'm trying to be as delicate and neat as I can for this video. Now I'm speeding. Yeah. Don't speed in this video. Yeah. Now little by little add in your pasta. Swirl it around, make sure that the pasta's in the sauce, the creamy, beautiful, shrimpy sauce. Yep. And now, little by little, put the pasta into the bowl. Or if you're really strong, try and do it all at once. See? Use both hands if you have to. And there you have it. A beautiful shrimp pasta. And for Italians, after this is done, they used to say tutti a tavolo, which means everyone to the table. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It's been for a while that I've been doing a cooking video, so I would appreciate it if you gave a like and thumbs up and leave a comment below and tell me what you think about the pasta. It's amazing. It's great. So please subscribe, and see you next time.